So, how do you go about learning FL Studio?
Well, I started FL Studio when I was starting to get into college, and I was like, wow, I want to learn how to do that. So I got the Fruity Loops, and I really just started messing around in it, and which I don't think was a really hard program to learn at first, but to learn all the cool stuff that you hear in rap music, I was just on YouTube all day, which kind of inspired this channel a little
YouTube
bit.
YouTube was the gateway for is definitely the gateway for learning how to make beats.
Yeah.
I think that's essential.
Yeah, so YouTube and being in the lab
Watch
all
beat
day.
watch beat videos.
Yeah,
And
but
then make
I was
beats.
fascinated because when I started, I was listening to. I still had like Lex Luger as a favorite like back then. So I was like, oh, I want to learn how to make trap beats like a zip and a double cup because I thought that was hard, or like 3/6 beats.
Yo.
That's real old school stuff, simple stuff, and Fruit Loops is like perfect for it.
Fruit Loops is it's I mean, I remember when I first started using it, I thought it was like incredibly confusing. But like I don't really find it that like I think it takes like I would say like
You need some computer finesse.
yeah, you do need some computer finesse, but I think it takes like a solid like maybe month to actually like understand how to use the program. But when it comes to actually making beats, I think it takes like at least like a year.
Yeah, to feel comfortable, where you can just be like, all right, I'm just gonna hop in here, put a melody down. Like it takes a while to kind of figure out what your workflow is.
I feel like it's important to understand your like your genre. It's important to understand your genre. Like, let me elaborate. It's important to understand your genre because, like, it's like, okay, and this is beyond beats. Through internet marketing, I kind of understood like niche is just like the only way to really like sell. You gotta do something like niche. So if you do a certain type of beat like consistently and it's good and people like it, I feel like you should just literally just do that beat all the time and just be like, I make these type of beats, and then have like your own market. Like don't try to compete with everybody for the same thing. Like if you make like say you make cloud type beats, just be like, I'm that cloud type beat guy.
See, I disagree with you there.
Word.
'Cause I would be like, oh, he makes hip hop type beats or trap type beats. I don't like being shoved in like that category. So I'm always like, I want to learn how to do other shit. So again, YouTube, I'll be like, oh, how do I make a reggae beat? How to make a trap beat, R&B beat. But I'll agree with you in the way, like, oh yeah, for the most part, I make trap or hip hop beats or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
But you gotta expand yourself because
I mean, switch it up, but like
you start to get bored and you don't want to just be stuck. Because I think it gets like I think trap beats get boring to make sometimes. So you just gotta get the switch up. But look at like producers today. Like you're not gonna see Metro Boomin make like an R&B beat like just random.
That's what I'm saying though. Like he knows he makes trap beats.
Yeah.
But what would you think? What do you think is essential to making a good trap beat?
That bounce. If you can bring a bounce, bring the juice.
How do you do that in FL Studio?
You can't explain it. I can't explain it. Something with percussion. I don't know. Something with the way that melody rides, like that gets your head rocking.
The bounce.
if I had the formula for doing that, then we'd all be super producers.
That's true.
Consistently.
Well, I think the bottom line is like you eventually get there through like practice and watching like videos and stuff like that. Maybe getting an ebook dropping in the future or something like that.
Yeah, so like if you got FL Studio 20, I would say I would give it a solid year till you're solid.
Yeah.
Like how long? If someone asks how long would it take to be good at FL Studio 20, I would say 1 year to be like decent.
Right.
But some people learn fast, some people don't. Some people work hard, but on average, like you just play around with it.
And go at your own pace. I feel like do whatever feels comfortable or whatever you
Yeah.
feel comfortable doing, because this is like a creative thing at the end of the day.
Yeah, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint.
True, true, true.
This is something you're always gonna be learning on.
Right, right. Let me reframe that earlier idea. I would be like, figure out what you're good at, what you. Well, that's like almost a basic principle. Not even with like beats, like just figuring out what you're good at and then like,
Just exploit it.
then maximizing that.
Yeah, and that's like that's a mindset. Like in today's world, they'll be like, "Oh yeah, you're good at this, this, and that, but you suck at that." So everyone will be like, "Okay, let's focus on what we're bad at," which is kind of negative.
Right.
It's a negative like approach. Okay, you're the hat king. You're the king of laying down hats. Okay, lay down some hats.
Young Zaytoven.
Yeah, like he's the coldest hat maker I know.
Yo.
Like Zaytoven, you know Zaytoven. Oh yeah, find your thing too, because Zaytoven. I don't know if a lot of people know this, but Zaytoven used to be an organ player. That's why he has those organ sounding melodies. He used to play in the church. So that's why that's his signature.
Yo, he was church side with it.
Yeah, that's why Zaytoven has some of the coldest keys, and you know, some of your other skills might transfer into beat making that you never even thought. So
True, 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 true.
yeah, he was good at that. He used it. So
Yeah, he's definitely what I would consider like an exploiter of talent.
yeah,
That's Young Zay in a nutshell. An exploiter. So you need to be an exploiter, YouTubers. Dude, what's your favorite thing about YouTube people?
the funny what?
Dude, just answer the question. What's your favorite thing about YouTube people? Mostly referring to the audience.
All the funny comments that come in.
Word.
Like, if someone is still listening to this and they post a funniest comment, I don't know, I'm gonna do something special.
Like
Most original funny comment. I don't know, I'll do something special. I don't even know yet.
Yo, we're looking for the top commenters this side of YouTube. We need y'all to come with some fire.
Yeah.
Yo, we should like sign like a pro commenter that just comments on like all of our videos, but they're like random like hilarious comments about the
That
video.
might be a new position in the One Channel Factory.
Right. Like
We might have to recruit.
we might have to recruit. We gotta see who's like some of the top commenters.
Who's savage. But you can't just be full savage. You have to be kind of clever.
Right. And yeah, you gotta keep it friendly and whatnot. That's almost like having like an entertainer at a party
Yeah.
for like a video.
Like, they're not a dick in the party, but they're just funny.
Right. It's
But
like
still kind of a dick.
right. And low key on the payroll. Low key on the payroll.
6-man.
Professional 6-man commenter. That would be hilarious. And we should make a promise. If we get 50K, we'll sign a professional commenter for a week.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Also, we're looking for the scribe. The scribe.
Yo, scribe coming soon. Scribe. 100K scribe for a week.
100K, we get the scribe.
100K, we get a scribe. And he'll have his own video series and everything. Like scribing. But that would mean we'd have to get a cameraman.
Channel? Yeah.
Or film it ourselves. We'd be like, scribe, you gotta sign this waiver.
The scribe?
Alright, that's enough for this video, I guess.
Channel?
One channel. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.
Subscribe.